Hello everybody, welcome to the very first Let's Play for VibeCraft. So VibeCraft is this all new product which lets you see and manage all your AI agents in one place. And now you might think this is a game because, I mean, look at it, the whole thing is like a gaming interface, but it's actually a productivity tool, but it just happens to take inspiration from games like Warcraft and Starcraft, because managing AI agents feels a lot like playing an RTS game. So we'll get started with the tutorial so I can walk you through how the app works. And right now the app's only available on macOS, but I believe it is coming to Windows and Linux in the future, so if you're on one of those, then yeah, keep posted. But okay, so first we get to select a world, and looks like they've already created a tutorial world for us. Yeah, so this is a workspace in your local file system, so it's very similar to VS Code if you've used something like that. And now to start off, you get to select your hero. So this is like just your preferred coding agent provider. So I've got both Claude and Codex, but let's just go with Claude for now. And here you can see there's Davian, he's our guide. Okay, let's click enter and proceed. Okay, so you can create a project, and these projects are folders in your local file system. And so they start off with the default name, just to make it easier, but it's telling us to rename it to Cookie Clicker. So now we can create an AI agent. So we've made a Claude agent, and this is pretty much the same thing as running Claude code in your terminal if you were to do that. And now when we attach it to this folder, then that is giving Claude code the permissions to run in the Cookie Clicker folder. So now let's press enter to give it a prompt, and it's pre-filled for us. So it's saying to build a Cookie Clicker website and run it on port 3000. So let's go and press enter to submit that. And now you can actually view the whole conversation within the terminal panel. So yeah, this is everything that the agent is doing. But then yeah, you can close it, and then that all stays hidden, so you don't have to see it all the time. And now let's move the Cookie Clicker folder. So yeah, so we can make space for a new folder. And okay, it looks like the Cookie Clicker website is done, as you can see. But now, okay, it's telling us to import a new folder. So you can actually import folders from your workspace that you already have there. So you can open up an existing workspace that you have with all your projects and import folders into VibeCraft. So you don't necessarily need to only create new projects within VibeCraft. So yeah, I've got a folder called projects where I just have all my different coding projects. So yeah, that's what I use. But let's go ahead and import this Doodle Jump folder, and let's go ahead and create this second agent. Okay, now same deal, we attach it to that folder, and okay, this time since it's already got the code within this folder, we're just telling it to run the website, so let's do that. And now we can go ahead and create a browser. So yeah, and you can move around the map. So I'm using a trackpad so I can pan with the trackpad, and yeah, so it's made a cookie click website, and yeah, you can see it works. You can click the cookies and buy the items, and now it's saying to create another browser for the Doodle Jump game. So yeah, here we go. Let's see how high we can get. Whoop. A bit of lag, but okay, we're doing pretty well. Oh, okay. Looks like I died, but yeah, that's it for the tutorial. So you do have to subscribe to use VibeCraft, but I'll leave it here, and I'll show you more features about VibeCraft in videos to come. Bye.